Hello, I'm John. We will give you the best ways to increase your sales on Amazon. So, with competition getting hotter every day, how can you increase your sales on Amazon and take your business to the next level? The good news is, despite competition going up, the share of sales available to sellers on the Amazon marketplace is getting bigger and bigger. Here's our roundup of 14 actionable ways you can increase your Amazon sales in 2022. Optimize your listing for sales. Better product images. So it's amazing how many detail pages squander this with poor copywriting and basic mistakes in product descriptions. The quickest and easiest thing you can do to increase sales, Patricia W. Digital Marketer, is checking for basic errors in your listing copy, sentences that don't make sense. You will find a link to the best tool in description to help you achieve sales.